Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a vlog. You guys already know by the title of this video, we just gonna be doing a lot of things today. First of all, what I need to do is fix my necklace. I'm looking like Kamden right now. Kimber. That's what we're not gonna do. Instead, we're gonna play with your toy. Right? Yes, that's a good choice. So in today's video, we're gonna do some cleaning, some Christmas stuff. We're gonna put up some Christmas stuff because I feel like doing that today. And we'll see what the day holds today. But a lot of cleaning, Christmas decor is gonna go up. You guys already know. Sorry, my kids are so loud. But you guys already know I already have my Christmas tree up. I even added a little thing. I'm gonna show you guys. I added the tree skirt, I guess you could call it that. The holder, I got that at Target. Ended up getting that instead of the actual skirt that goes on the floor because I knew Kimber right here would end up biting it. Right, Kimber? What are you eating? Hey, what is that? She done ate a chip, y'all. See, that's why all these toys need to go up. Guys, this is what I gotta do. All these toys. Hey, what you looking for? And then I ended up putting that bow. I showed you guys that bow that I got from Michael's. I ended up just putting it at the top of the tree. Didn't want to buy a star, so I was like, let me just do the ribbon. But that's how I did it. Right, Kimber? You better not pee. This girl, every time I take her out, I bring her in, she pees. So now I just gotta make sure I watch it. That's why she has a house line on. She got me tripping. She got me playing. Hey. Down, yes. Good girl, good choice. I like that. Look. I don't trust it. What are you doing? You about to sniff. That means potty. Outside. Good girl. Let's go outside. You didn't get to play outside. Go outside. Use a potty. Because I know she got to pee. This is my little grass patch, you guys. You see that? That's the little grass patch I got. We gotta wait till we get our yard. You guys already know. If you watch my vlogs, I'll put the vlog up in the corner. If you guys need to know where the vlog is. Look, now she don't want to pee. But she want to come in this house and pee. Not today. So see that grass patch, guys? I did make a video about when I'm gonna be doing our backyard. So if you guys are interested in that video, I'll put it in the description box. And the grass patch, if you guys are interested in that, I feel like it really works for Kimber. She peed on that. You just got to rinse it. And she has pooped on it, but you want to rinse it. And I will put that also in the description box if you guys are interested and wanting to know more about that. I did make a video on my puppy essentials list if you guys are interested. I don't know. Some of you may be. Kimber, what you eating now? Guys, training 101 for a little puppy. That works. She like moves away. That's my word. That's my signature word. I got my husband doing that. Look at this one. She want me to put her shoes on. You want to put your shoes on? Of course, it's too cold out there. You got to put socks. My feet are freezing. Look at my toenails. Turn blue. It's okay. Kimber's coming inside already. So I think for breakfast for the kids, Kamden's been on this phase where he just wants to eat candy and snacks for breakfast. I don't know what it is. I guess it's just a phase that they're gonna outgrow. But your girl, I do not want him to be eating sweets and candy. Yesterday he had like a whole tantrum. I had to just let him sit down, calm it down. He started hitting me. I said, face the wall. I put him in timeout for 3 minutes. So I do the timeout method, guys. I don't do the spanking. I do the timeout for however age they are. Like Kimira, she's acting up. I put her in timeout for 7 minutes. Korra 1 minute. But Korra, she hasn't been on timeout. Every time I say, Korra, you want to go timeout? She just goes to timeout. She puts her head on the wall. It's the cutest thing, but I don't necessarily put her in timeout because she doesn't need it. She just needs you can't do that and good talking to. But Kamden, he's at this phase. I'm telling you, there's no terrible twos. I feel like there's no such thing as terrible twos. It's the terrible threes. Terrible twos, I never had that with the kids. Terrible threes, I had. The week we got Kimber, like you guys already saw the video of when we picked up Kimber. Ever since we picked her up, she's been good the first 2 days, and then after that, I've just been really busy with her, so I haven't been able to work out. I already told you guys, I haven't been working out, but I am gonna get back to it because I wanted to fill her schedule out and how my schedule would be. And yeah, so So anyways, I'm gonna clean as I go, because look, what is this doing here? What is this doing here? There's nothing in it. I don't know why. My husband and my kids, every time it's empty, I find it in the cupboard or on the counter. And then when I go and see, I want to go get me a little snacky, it's empty. So I don't know why they do that. Every time they do it, they always get me. They don't know how to do this. That's all I want. That's all I ask. All I ask is easy. This is my night with you. That's a little snippet for you.
Mama,
a little snip.
Stop moving. Stop moving, Mama. Stop moving.
For breakfast, we're going to go ahead and get... I'm gonna make them champorado. Normally I make champorado. If you guys don't know what champorado is, it's pretty much chocolate rice. Filipinos, they make like chocolate rice and they call it champorado. I went to my mother-in-law's house and she had ube champorado. If you guys are familiar with this, the ube one. I didn't really care for it, but she said this is super delicious. Settle. Quiet. Good girl. Good girl, quiet. Good girl, sorry. I've been teaching Kimber, like, if she barks or if she's doing something that she's not supposed to be doing, like she's like she's like riled, how do you say it? She's like roused up. I always tell her, quiet. When she gets all like roused up like that, like barking and stuff, I've been telling her like quiet or like settle, and then I praise her when she does it. Good girl, yes. Good girl, settle. Okay, she want to come over here. Guys, sit. Yes, good girl, yes. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and make champorado. What you need is rice, Nesquik, and whatever milk of your choice. I've tried almond milk, coconut milk, and and there's another milk I've tried. No, I think that's pretty much it. But you're good with any type of milk. It's just gonna taste a little different. And you just fill the pot with rice. This is chocolate rice, guys. Ooh, see, this is how it's supposed to look. Super, 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 super easy. Guys, this is a mess that I have to clean up. Whew, let's get started. saw my husband put the wreath holder on the door, right? I come to see if, how does it look? Seriously, hun? He's so funny. This laundry.
I can't wash.
That's laundry right there. That's the towels. Taking Kimber outside again because I've been taking her out every time after she eats. She just ate, drank some goat's milk. Now I know she has to use the potty. Go potty. She's like, what? That's okay. This is what I normally do is I grab her like this and then I walk to the middle of our third yard and I just put her down and I say, go potty. Go potty. Go potty, Kimber. Do you need to go potty? You hear that? Those are birds. See, she's peeing. Good girl, yes. Good girl, yes. Yay! Yes, yes, yes. Good girl, yes. She likes to go against this wall here and just eat like whatever, feathers, rocks. Kimber, put these light bulbs on this tree. We're gonna put the light bulbs on the tree.
This is the ornament that I made. It's beautiful, but let me show you the one my brother made. Anyways, we're gonna put this right here. Look at this big chunk of this. Now we're gonna get another one, and we got a glittery one. You wanna see that shiny look? Okay, it can't focus on the ornament when it's close. This is actually really peaceful. Like, nobody's talking.
Yeah, Daddy.
Because I only put 2 of them on. Like, I put this one on and I put this one. Close your eyes. Yes, close your eyes. And if you guess gold, yes, it is gold.
I think that's good enough. I'm gonna put this in my front door. Right here. I got this at Target. Ouch. I also got that sign that I'm gonna put in front of our door, and it has a front and back. Come on, Kimber. This is the front, and this is the back. Look at my kids playing in dirt. Like, seriously?
Let's water the plants.
Alright, carry me. Kimber, come on. Kimber. I had time to give Kimber a little bath. Sorry, I might not put things showing, but look, she's so fluffy, guys. Look at her. Careful, Korra. She fluffy. With her little fur.